Okay, hello, grade 9. I hope you're doing well under the circumstances. So, welcome to your first day of distance learning. You would have received a message from Mr. Adrian, and you'll know that every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you will have tasks set from me, which should be finished by 4 p.m. on those days. Okay, so I'd just like to tell you about the first task for Monday, the 30th of March. If you go to ManageBack, you'll be able to see there's a task here called the Spread of Disease Worksheet. So if you can just click on that, and then you can see the instructions here. So complete this worksheet, make a copy and rename. You know how to do that. You should spend about an hour on this task. And when you finish the worksheet, you should download it as a PDF and then upload to the ManageBack task Dropbox. So let's click on the worksheet. Okay, so you're going to go to File, make a copy, name. Okay, so here you have some terminology that is relevant for this lesson. So we're looking at the diffusion of diseases. There are many different types of diffusion. Diffusion is basically how it spreads. Okay, so there's many different ways in which a disease can spread. So first thing I want you to do is watch this trailer. So you need to go to the YouTube link. This is a trailer for the film Contagion. Okay, so you also need to open this slideshow, and using the information from this slideshow and this terminology list, you need to answer these questions. Okay, so number one, identify the type of disease from this trailer and suggest how it spreads. So is it, for example, disease diffusion, distance decay, expansion diffusion? So you decide and add your answer here. And number two, identify how people try to create barriers to the spread of disease in this movie trailer. So barriers are basically ways to stop the disease spreading. So for example, in Almaty now, we're under quarantine. We have a curfew. This is a type of barrier. Okay, task number two. You need to go back to this slideshow, and you need to summarize the information to answer the inquiry questions below. Okay, and I want you to structure your summaries as peel paragraphs. Okay, so minimum one paragraph. If you want to go above and beyond, you can do 3 paragraphs. Okay, so I've given you an example here. So add your peel paragraphs to answer this question. How does disease spread? How can we manage the spread of disease? Okay, and then when you finish that, you can go to File, Download as a PDF, and your document will appear here. Then you're going to go back to ManageBack, and you're going to upload the task. Okay, so I will be available tomorrow. There are office hours, so you have to have a look at the document to see when those are. And I'll be available to answer any questions that you have. Okay, so good luck. I hope it goes well, and enjoy your first day of online distance learning.